Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Indian curry. First, gather your fresh ingredients like onions, ginger, and garlic. Next, prepare your essential spices such as cumin, coriander, and turmeric. We'll then move on to the cooking process, focusing on building layers of flavor. This approach ensures a delicious and authentic Indian curry every time, perfect for any meal. To begin your Indian curry, you'll need a strong aromatic base. Start by finely chopping one large onion and preparing a fresh paste of ginger and garlic. For spices, gather whole cumin seeds, coriander powder, turmeric, and a pinch of red chili powder. These foundational elements are crucial for developing the rich, complex flavors that define a truly authentic Indian curry dish. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, then add your chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Next, stir in the ginger-garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, add your powdered spices, cooking them briefly to release their full aroma before adding your main ingredients and liquid. Once your curry has simmered and the flavors have melded beautifully, it's time to serve. Ensure your protein is tender and the sauce has reached your desired consistency. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon juice for brightness. Serve your delicious Indian curry hot with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread. For more great tips and deals, including that Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.